Forgot your Salesforce password or need to reset a user's password? Stop digging through menus. I will show you the exact path in 60 seconds. So here is what we are going to do. First, access Setup from the gear icon. Then navigate to Users. From there, it is just a few clicks to send the reset email. All right, let us jump into the screen. You are looking at your standard Salesforce homepage. See that gear icon in the very top right corner? That is your Setup menu. It is small but powerful. Click on that. Now, from the drop-down that appears, you want to select the option that says Setup. Do not be thrown off by all the other options in there, like Service Setup or App Manager. Just click Setup. It will open up a whole new part of Salesforce specifically for admin work. Once you are inside the Setup area, you need to find the Users section. This is a common pain point for a lot of admins. The menu on the left can look pretty overwhelming. But trust me on this, just look under the heading that says Administration. Find that, click on it, and inside you will see Users. Go ahead and click that. Now you are looking at a list of all the active users in your org. This is the main hub for managing them. Locate the user whose password you need to reset. Maybe you are searching for yourself because you are locked out, or maybe you are helping out a colleague. On the far right side of that user's row, you will see a small drop-down arrow. It can be easy to miss sometimes. Click that arrow. A little menu will pop up with several options. You will see things like Edit, Freeze, or Manage. The one we need is at the very bottom of that list. Click Reset Password. Salesforce will immediately send an automated email to that user's email address on file. It might take a moment to process, but it is usually very quick. Here is where the user comes in. They need to check their email inbox. It could be Gmail, Outlook, whatever they use. They are looking for an email from Salesforce with a subject line about resetting their password. Have them open that email. It will contain a big, clear button that says Reset Password. Click that. That link will take them to a Salesforce page where they can create their new password. They need to type a new password and confirm it by typing it again in the box below it. Make sure it meets the password requirements Salesforce is showing on the screen. Once they hit Submit, they are all set. They can log right back in with their new credentials. And that is it. From being stuck with a forgotten password to being back in business in just a few minutes. In my experience, knowing these exact menu paths is what saves you from spending way too much time just clicking around. Hopefully this saved you a headache. See you in the next one.